Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install PHP 8.0.7, that is the current version on Windows 10 64-bit. So it's very easy. At first we need to download it. Go to the browser. Here and type PHP. Press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, php.net. Here you can see. Click on it to open. Now on clicking you can see the downloads are visible here. It is also visible here. So this is an alpha 1 for testing 8.1.0, so we won't use it. Here is the current version 8.0.7 released. Always the current version will be visible here itself. Or if you want to be very much sure about the versions, it's very easy. Just go to downloads and click on it. So guys, we are downloading on Windows, so click on Windows downloads. On clicking, PHP 8.0.7 version is visible. This is what we wanted. Herein guys, it is available for 64-bit, as you can see here, x64. Thread safe and non-thread safe versions are visible. Here it is non-thread safe and here thread safe. Always go for thread safe versions. 25.5 MB zip file. This is what we want. Click on it. On clicking, the download will start. Wait for a few seconds. Guys, we have downloaded the zip file. Here it is. Now right click and show in folder. Here it is guys, the zip file. Now right click and let's extract it here only. So we have extracted it. I'll just copy this and let's go to C drive. Herein guys, click on program files and just paste it here. Right click and paste. Allow by clicking continue. Here is a file. Now at first right click and we will rename it to a simpler name, only the version. We have renamed it. Double click. Now here are the files of the PHP. Below you can see the INI for development and production. So guys, what you need to do, right click and copy this path, minimize. Now let us set the path variables. Go to start, environment variables, type environment variables. Click on edit the system environment variables. Under system properties, go to advanced tab and click on environment variables. Now herein user variable for Amit user on the system is visible, and the following is for all the users on the system variables. You can set anywhere. I'll set it here. We just need to go to the path here or the following. I always prefer the system variables to avoid any errors in future or any path issues. Double click. Here in all the paths you can see I have set for others like for Java, MinGW, SQL Server, MySQL. Click on new. Right click and paste the same path. Which path we pasted guys? We pasted the following path 8.0.7. Now just click on OK. OK again and the last OK to apply. Now we have set up PHP. After setting up we need to check it, right? So go to start, type cmd, click on open to open command prompt. Here is the command prompt guys. Now type a command php -- version and press enter. Here is a space in between, press enter. On pressing enter you can see PHP 8.0.7. If the following is visible, the PHP group, that means Z engine, that means we have successfully installed PHP 8.0.7. You can also check it using php-v, press enter. After pressing enter you can see the same is visible, that means we have successfully installed PHP. In this video we saw how we can easily download and install PHP on Windows 10. If you want to connect server with it and want to create your first program, you can refer the link in the description of this video. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.